Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. I surely have. It's been a nice relaxing one and just trying to get back into the swing of things, trying to get on top of my routines, whether that be going to sleep earlier, getting up earlier, doing my workouts again since I wasn't able to for so long after my septorhinoplasty in Turkey, just trying to get on top of like filming YouTube videos and actually uploading them on Mondays. So yeah, that's kind of been me the last week and a half. I hope you guys have had an amazing week. If you have been up to anything really exciting, then let me know down below in the comments. I'd love to know. But anyway, in today's video I'm doing a tutorial on how to get your hair this voluminous and this bouncy, and how to get this like old Hollywood kind of sexy big bouncy curls kind of look. I have never been able to achieve this kind of look before, and honestly this will last you all night. I'm showing you a new tool that I've literally become obsessed with. This video is not sponsored, but I just was in desperate need to show you this tool that I just got sent, and I am doing some sponsored work with them over on Instagram, but I just was so obsessed that I needed to film a whole video on it for you guys and do a tutorial on this here, because look, like, this is so easy. Like, I did this in probably just over 10 minutes, maybe like 13 minutes, which is crazy because it usually takes me like 35 minutes to curl my whole hair, but this was just so easy and so quick. I love how the hair around my face like sits. It just looks so beautiful and pretty, and I just always love like big bouncy hair. I think it looks so beautiful on everybody. I'm gonna turn to the side. You can see how it looks like from the side. Like, who wouldn't love curly hair like this? Honestly, so pretty. I'm obsessed. Honestly, your hairstyle makes such a big difference to your overall appearance. Like, I used to never do my hair. Like a few years back, I used to just sweep it over. It'd be so thin and straggly at the ends and not much to it. But now I love experimenting with hairstyles, and honestly, it makes such a difference to your overall look. And there's so many hairstyles out there, and there's different ones to suit like different people, like taller people, shorter people, your face shape, like longer faces, smaller faces. You know, you can do so much to change your overall face and do stuff that like flatter your overall look. Do you know what I mean? And when I did this hairstyle out last weekend, I had so many people compliment on my hair, saying, oh my gosh, your hair looks so cool, like how did you do that? Oh my god, you look amazing. Like, honestly, hair makes such a difference. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I upload every Monday, and don't forget to like this video if you want to see more hair tutorials. So if you want to know how to get this big bouncy voluminous blowout look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is my hair with no styling. It is just really like frizzy and flat and meh, quite bland. I haven't done anything to it. I haven't added anything to it. Okay, so the tool I'm about to use to transform this hair is called Shark Flex Style. So this box is so heavy. When I got sent it, I was like, what the hell? Why does this weigh a ton? So as you can see here, it's like got a blow dryer. It's also got like a smoothing brush and a blowout brush and a diffuser and a styling concentrator. Packs the power in a nimble size and flexes from one use to the next, dry and style like you never have before. No heat damage. It may be compact, but Shark Flex Style gives you power and speed for ultra fast performance as you dry. It measures temperatures 1,000 times per second, ensuring consistent air temperatures and no heat damage. Honestly, this is like a no-brainer. When I use this, I was like, what the hell? My hair is usually so flat, but it just got so voluminous with this. Like, it is insane. So in the box there is this woohoo Shark Flex Style instructions, and here's all the tools inside. I love how it comes in a big box, and I have used this 3 times and I'm already so obsessed. I'm getting better and better with each use. These two, you can curl your hair left and right. To do the left side, you have to go to the left, and to the right side, you have to change it to the right, but it's pretty easy. I'm gonna also use the smoothing brush in the video because I feel like I need it quickly before I do the blowout. Oh, Mina just woke up as Henry came in. These are like my kids. Look, here's Mina. She's getting so big now, and she's so heavy, and she's so cute. I need to do an updated video on my ragdolls. Little baby. Hey, come. Hey, look. No, he just runs away. Okay, so to quickly show you, look how cool this is. I love the packaging, and you like press this down and it turns and it's a blow dryer, which is so cool. And then you can attach all the different attachments on. So this is a smoothing brush. I'm gonna use this. You just literally clip it on. Look how long this thing is. It's so long, and the cord is super long. So I'm gonna go and plug this in and start smoothing. Okay, so I just turned this on. You can also adjust the heat and the speed just here. But I will do the second heat level, and yeah, the second one of those. And this is a cool shot button, so it will hold your curls in place even longer because it blows out like cool air. But anyway, you watch this. Okay, you watch this for your side, and to the side. So this literally works within a few brushes. Like, I'm so impressed. Okay, look at that. It like adds some nice like shine as well. It's crazy. So I honestly love this so much. This is just gonna prep my hair for the curls. So I'm gonna just do this side. This side was like the worst side. It's almost like straightens. It's all done with heat. There we go. And then I'm going into the left side. So it says L like here up on the front. Ooh, probably can't see it. Okay. And literally it just wraps for you. Like, you just have to watch, okay? You have to watch what I'm doing. Like, look at this. I don't even section my hair or anything. My hair's not that thick, so I can get away with that. But literally, look at this, wraps up the hair for you. And I just wait about 10 seconds, and then you let it go, and look at this. What the hell? I'm like, I would never go back to like curling my hair with a bloody straightener. Like, this is just insane. Like, and yeah, most people would section their hair, but I don't, because it's so like thin anyway. See, look, it just sucks up the hair, and you just bring it up to the head and leave it like this. I'm just still not over how easy this is. Like, what the hell? I feel like I'm yelling, by the way. Let it go, and I just naturally let these drop. Like, it would be so much easier if I did part my hair, but I don't. So I'm dragging it up. Literally so easy. You should use heat protectant, by the way. I don't have any, that's why it's not steaming. But when I do use like heat protectant when my hair's like damp, it steams like the whole room. Like, what the hell? The beautiful, most like curliest, bounciest curls. Like, so easy. Like, look how easy this is. I'm not even trying. Only got a few pieces to do, honestly. My whole head is done within 10 minutes as well. Like, this just takes the like hassle out of hairstyling. And you don't have to be good at hair either. Like, you honestly don't have to be. Just leave it there for a little less if you don't want your hair to be like so bouncy. I'm just gonna grab the whole section, okay? Normally I should do the fringe last, but whatever. I just like help wrap it around like this. I just have to do it in different sections. And then this little piece. Let's sit like this. Don't want it too like curly. I just want like a big blowout look. So what I do now, before doing the other side, I will just literally hairspray this so it doesn't like drop. Okay, so now you take this off, so just press this lock button down and pull it up from the top because this part's still hot, this part's not. So you can just pull it up, and then we take our right barrel and... Okay, so with this side you need to go, make sure you go under as well. So it's just going under on both sides. Oh yeah, look at that. My hair just looks so bouncy, like I love it. So I just help the hair around a little bit around the barrel in the beginning. Okay, now I'm going to do this fringe. Oh, hang on. Oh. This fringe is going to be the hardest part. Ow, and then let it go. Oh, I don't know what's happening here. Okay, this one just really flatten down. I'm just gonna do this piece. Okay, now we kind of just spray it, I guess. Ooh. Spray these curls into place so it can hold. It's crazy like how much thicker my hair looks when it's like curled like this as well. So this is the hair. It's crazy, like I feel like Pamela Anderson or something. I just feel so beautiful and sexy, and it's like Hollywood glam kind of. Like I love how it just sweeps around my face. Like I've never had a tool be able to do that before, and with that hairspray it's honestly gonna last you like all night. Like look how beautiful this is. I can't believe it, and this honestly took like 10 minutes. So that's from the side, and I already love how my fringe looks from the side too. It looks so good. I feel like one of those old Hollywood ladies. So anyway, if you guys liked this tutorial, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.